Are you an upsizer, downsizer, or anything in between that's looking for a brand new construction condo? How about one that's built on piles and has a steel and concrete foundation? And how about one that has in-suite laundry and underground parking? Look no further than 780 Tache. At 1,128 square feet, this unit features an open concept floor plan with 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. The kitchen has quartz countertops, soft close cabinets, and newer appliances. The unit also features south-facing windows for an abundance of natural sunlight and an inviting south-facing balcony. Or one that's near a park, river, and the scenic forks. Living in this new construction has so many advantages and nearby amenities. With a party room, a fitness center, and even a fenced dog run, 780 Tache features this and so much more. If you have any other questions, please give our team a shout at any time.